Gervonta Davis has pled guilty to 4 counts of traffic offenses following a hit-and-run incident that he was involved in November of 2022. The World Boxing Association World Lightweight Champion is 28 years old and did not stand trial on Thursday and has not made a comment since. The circuit judge, Althea Handy, said in pleading guilty, Davis does so on the understanding there is no agreement of what penalty will be at sentencing. His sentencing will occur on May 5th. So that's a little bit scary. In the crash, 4 people suffered various injuries, including a pregnant woman. Now, Davis has pleaded guilty to all 4 charges: leaving the scene of an accident involving bodily harm, driving with a revoked license, running a red light, and failing to notify of property damage. At approximately 2 a.m. on November 5th, 2020, according to the prosecutors, Davis drove a Lamborghini under police escort after leaving a nightclub in downtown Baltimore. At one time, he allegedly veered away from the convoy, running a red light, and subsequently struck a passenger side of a 2004 Toyota Solara. Very disturbing. Inside was a pregnant woman alongside with 3 other passengers. The prosecution alleges that Davis made eye contact with Smith but never came to her aid. That is very disappointing. I mean, anybody can make a traffic error, but to know you've hit somebody, made eye contact with him, and just leave the scene is appalling to me. He probably could not tell that she was pregnant, but I don't think that matters. And I don't think it matters that she was a woman. I think it matters that one human being, hurt another individual and has done nothing about it and instead took off, not taking responsibility until this point. There were initial concerns that Davis' most recent fight, the 8th round win over Hector Luis Garcia in January, would not go ahead following domestic violence against the Baltimore native. A woman identifying herself as the mother of boxer Gervonta Davis's child then retracted her domestic violence allegations against him following her 911 call and prior to his arrest on December 27th. So it seems that Gervonta has not had a good history as of recent. Now, don't know what his history was before, but as of these 2 incidents don't speak very highly of him, in my opinion. Vanessa Poso released a statement on Instagram on December 30th insisting that Davis did not harm her or her daughter, but yet she called 911 a few days earlier. Sounds to me like she started to rethink the situation. He's a boxer who makes good money. Could this be, her meal ticket gone? Could this be her feeling, I still love him, I don't want him to get in trouble, this is my child's father? There are many reasons why women recant their stories. But usually if somebody's called 911, something has happened. Anyways, we'll go on to talk about Davis and his fellow lightweight sensation, Ryan Garcia, have agreed to meet on April 15th in Las Vegas. And it'll probably be one of the highest pay-per-view events of the year. Though there is current uncertainty as to whether the fight will immediately go ahead with nothing official yet to be announced. So this may potentially be his last fight for a while, because if he's sentenced on May 5th and he goes to jail, how long will the judge give him? She's already said that in his agreeing to plead guilty, there's no limit to what she will sentence him to. Subscribe to Rovis Rants, hit the like button. I'll keep you up to date in May as to what his actual sentence is.